Absolutely. The top runners in the 200 meters, they're put between lane 5 and lane 7. So that's where you'll expect the speed to come from.
Yeah, so here we go. Let's see who will be the speed ball in this one. Top 2 advance automatically. Semi-final 2, the class 4 girls, the 200 meters. In the set position and sent off a cracking start from Reid of Hydel, looking to close on Allen of St. Andrew High. So it's Reneka Reid of Hydel, tall and speeding off that turn is Reid of Hydel. The rest of the pack tries to catch up with her, including Ferncourt's Bunting. So it's Reid of Hydel, Bunting of Ferncourt. Here comes Allen now of St. Andrew High. Reid takes it ahead of Allen. Close between Allen and the Bunting of Ferncourt for second. But for sure, Reneka Reid of Hydel running from lane 5 takes semi-final 2 of the class 4 girls, the 200 meters.